Oh, hey, how you doing? Professor Hiccup here. Today we're going to do a music video reaction. Um, I'm not 100% sure what's going on here. I was told his name is Zhou. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This was the video link I was given, but I don't know the name of the song. I don't even know if that's his name. Over here, I see the word Charlie, so I don't know if that's his name. But of course, once the video is over, I'll do the research and I'll know the name of the song and what to put in my title. Oops, sorry about that. So I guess basically for this, all I can do is jump into the video and see what it's all about. It is from This Is Singer or I Am Singer. I forgot what it was called. So I am familiar with that show. I've seen a lot of stuff with Damash on here, Jesse J, Katie on here. I've seen a lot of people on this show, so I am familiar with the show. So that's a positive right there. So let's get into this and see what it's all about. But before we get into this, do me a favor and check around on my channel, see if it's a channel that you like. I got lots of reactions, lots of different genres, lots of different things. Um, and if by chance you like it, feel free to subscribe. Speaking of feeling free to subscribe, subscribing is free. It costs you absolutely nothing. Not only that, but subscribing is actually good for your health, it's good for the environment, and it's kitten approved. I don't know if you can see that. It's my newest mug. It's kitten approved. So, like I said, feel free to subscribe. I would love that. All right, so let's get into this. I don't know what I'm getting into, and let's see what it's all about. Cool.
很久很久以前，巨龙突然出现，白白在满白中的公主又消失不见。王国十分危。
Pause for a second. That almost sounds like a cartoon character, but I don't. I wonder if that's his natural voice or if it's using special effects. It's even got that like little girl voice to it.
白白在满白中的公主又消失不见。王国十分危险，是件许最勇敢，因为用着橄榄大声喊：我要带上最好的剑，翻过最高山，闯进了神的森林，把公主带回岛面前。国王非常高兴，忙问他的心。
Japanese bands like why is the name escaping me? Um, Baby metal. It's like that female Japanese voice almost.
年轻人想了想，他说：“你想我想达拉崩吧吧，贝蒂蹦嘟比鲁蒙。”再说一次，达拉崩吧吧，贝蒂。
All right, did he just pull a Damash? Change up his voice.
英雄大拉崩吧，接上最快的马，带着大家的希望从城堡里出发，战胜魔神怪星，获得是而今彼无数伤痕见证，他慢慢升级。黑暗魅力村庄，打开所有宝箱，一路风霜伴随指引前路的深月光，闯入一座山洞，公主和可怕的巨龙，英雄拔出宝剑，鞠躬说：“我是昆图大法，帝国的苏瓦西拉松。”再来一次昆图大法，帝国的苏瓦西拉松。I love the music. Very dance, disco, industrial, techno, rave. I don't even know what to describe it. It's just like really, really cool. But it's also like watching a video game at the same time. It's just
It's like Japanese anime type stuff in there with games and the voices. I hear a couple different voices. It sounds like he's going through different ones. Uh, I'm going to be excited after this is over to actually figure out what this is all about. But he's jumping side to side like he's two different characters. So this is really interesting, really cool. I'm gonna have to see what else this guy has. Well, do me a favor, you guys know. Once I figure out who this is and put it in the title and put it up, let me know what else of his I need to see because this is a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying this.
是不是混着快递请靠蛋挞苏打马拉松？不对，是混土不打卡提考托苏我西拉松。
Yep, doing a little bit of the oh the from Fifth Element, the diva, doing the diva voice there. See, it sounds like a Mario Brothers game there.
是达拉崩巴般的贝蒂古杜比鲁蒙，看向混土不打卡提考托苏我西拉松，然后混土不打卡提考托苏我西拉松，有了达拉崩巴般的贝蒂古杜比鲁蒙，最后达拉崩巴般的贝蒂古杜比鲁蒙，就是那混土不打卡提考托苏我西拉松，就是那公主米娅莫拉苏拉的你写的红。乖哟，谢谢。好厉害，好厉害！我的天哪！哇，谢谢周深，谢谢谢谢。
All right, so obviously it was made during the coronavirus because of all the people watching through the monitors. That was really intense, and considering he didn't have an audience there, that was just his energy giving it out on his own. That was really really good. I'm not going to compare him to Dimash or Pomoy or any of those other people who could do the multiple voices, because each one's totally different. But I mean, he was like doing so many different voices so quickly too, back and forth. There's so much going on in there, and it's got to be some type of anime thing or some type of game that I don't know about, that this song is from. But the music was pounding. The music was great. He's great. The whole thing was just great. I really really enjoyed this. So do me a favor, like I said, you guys probably know more about this guy than I do, obviously. So down in the comments, tell me what else I need to see by this guy. I'm sure he's got some slower stuff too, but I really like this upbeat stuff. That was a lot of fun. Or any other artists like this. This is really cool. I enjoy this. But right now, I guess I'm going to have to say that's a wrap.